Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Christian. It's a superb day to be a Panther.
Heritage Literacy Week is this week, and the theme is Believe in Yourself and building resiliency through reading.
This week you can stop by the Media Center to take a selfie with your favorite book or current read. Also in the Media Center or classrooms you can complete a sticky note book review about a book that you would recommend for others to read and why.
In sports news, baseball tryouts and softball tryouts begin today at 4 p.m. Good luck!
In club news, BSU is starting Penny Wars, and if you don't know what that is, it's where your penny or other amount scores points for your teacher and takes points away from other teachers. The winning teacher will get a pie in the face on Thursday, February 1st.
The Penny War starts today and will end this Friday. Bring your money to lunch and put it in the principal teacher coat's jar that you want to see get a pie in the face.
The participating teachers are Mr. Link, Coach Benson, Mr. McGee, Miss Sharp, Coach Polmeis, Coach Kinsel, Mr. Richards, and Miss Van Bibber.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!